this is Sonam Kapoor and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.
Hi, this is Fawad Khan and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama. I think the kind of feedback that you got, I think that goes to say that we're extremely excited. Really looking forward to the audience coming in to the theaters now and following up on that feedback and watching the movie. It's been a great journey.
I'm excited and nervous as well. I'm quite happy with the feedback. It's been generally positive. I don't think there will be that much comparison because with all due respect, and I think Khoobsurat is one of the most beautiful films by Hrishikesh Mukherjee that was made even before I was born. Yeah, there will be comparisons in the media for sure between the films, but the story is completely different.
I think that to compare it would be unfair because obviously, with times and periods like the 70s, the 80s, the 90s, the relevance of a story to that era is very different. It's our take, it's our reinvention of a concept that has presented itself before. And not just in, I think, the previous Khoobsurat, it's in a lot of films across the globe. Right. It has happened again and again, but every time the reinvention of the wheel is different.
Well, her name is Mrinalini Chakravarti, her Dr. Millie. She is very impulsive, she's got a very high EQ, emotional quotient. She knows how people feel and how people think, and she's not conventional at all. She likes to live life
on the edge.
Not on the edge. I remember I had said this once that I want to live every minute of every second. I want to live every second of every minute of every day and just live it. And I think in a lot of ways, Millie is like that. She lives every second of every minute of every hour of every day, which I think is so important to do.
She's uninhibited, I think.
Yeah, there's no inhibitions. There's just feeling and there's only like emotion, and I think it's so beautiful to live like that. Obviously, over the age, you get experience and you become slightly cynical, and there's certain things that come into your life that make you more guarded. But I remember between the ages of 18 to 22, 18 to 23, there was this thing in me which was really untouched and really beautiful, and that is Millie. And I think in a lot of ways playing this character has made me embrace that part of myself again.
It is very different, but I have a problem with the characters that I play. The main issue that I face normally is that I carry a certain amount of baggage. It takes me a longer time to detox and to actually take it off of me. So I appear to be very decent.
She is very decent.
I think I'm polite. I think the rest of the traits are something that
You're not a business machine.
Yeah, I'm not a business machine.
And you're not over ambitious at all.
So yeah, I think that is the difference.
He belongs on a beach.
That is true.
Fawad Khan, I know that about you.
I'd say if
you're an Australian surfer.
No, I'm not an Australian surfer. I'm Tom Hanks from Castaway.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
You wanted to get back home. You're like, I want to be in the island. You're like an Australian surfer who's just like chilled out, like wants to lie on the beach and be like, okay, hum kar lenge yaar.
That is me. I'm a very lazy person, yeah.
He's very relaxed, which is amazing. I mean, he's very serious about his job and about his craft. He loves it. There's not that insane, gross ambition that people have.
Yeah, having said that, I think that's very, very sweet of you.
Yeah, I'm going to call you an Australian surfer. You're an Australian surfer without the blonde hair.
Without the blonde. My experience has been great so far. Even though I say that I have no expectations or preconceived notions before I meet anyone or go onto any set, still, normally, some level of expectation is set when you enter an industry. It is sort of a scale that you measure against. Was my experience better than that? Was it worse than that? And I think that these people have set it very high. Making a new family, coming into a new place, working with people that you feel relaxed with, and you don't feel too pressured with, and you can be yourself with. So I guess that is the most important impression that I try to gather from any experience that I have.
Fawad is amazing. Everybody was so beautifully cast in the film. Everybody has got such an amazing attitude and such professionalism, whether it was Kiran Kher, Ratna Pathak, Amir Raza, Mr. Kotwal, Simran Jihani, who's playing Fawad's sister in it, Aditi Rao, Cyrus Sahukar. There are lots of actors in it and they're all amazing.